Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Like many other companies, Ikea is experiencing shipping delays because of the coronavirus crisis, so be patient, as delivery times are running longer than usual. There's no word yet on when Ikea delivery will return to its previous format, or what its post-pandemic format will be.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you have not provided a mobile number, we will instead email you 24 hours prior to your delivery with your AM or PM 4-hour time slot. We will call you on the telephone number provided 1 hour before your delivery is due. Plus, how do I tell you about delivery restrictions?
Make your mark. Take our lead.
However, tipping them is the polite thing to do. Rather than the cost of the object as the basis for the tip, the amount of labor being done should be considered. If the IKEA guy is delivering a felt-tipped pen, he might even smile at the thought of a $1 tip and refuse it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Why the expensive shipping costs? It turns out that shipping prices are based on flat rates geared to be more cost-effective for customers who purchase in bulk. IKEA wants to offer the best delivery rates to all customers, said Michael Withauer, marketing specialist for IKEA Direct, via email.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.